In this video, I'll be explaining how you have to do questions in your Discovering Maths book and My Observation book. So, open your Discovering Maths book, children. On page number 193, Practice Zone 1. In this practice zone, what you have to do, children? Identify the note / coin given below and write its value. Okay? You have to write the value for the given note or coin. For example, this is a 1 rupee coin. So, how you will be write? Symbol for rupee 1. Okay? This is a 10 rupee coin. So, you will be writing rupee 10. Okay, for all these you will be writing the values using the rupee symbol. Understood? Now let us come to practice zone 2. Okay, what do you have to do? Fill in the boxes. You have to convert this rupee 4 into paise. As I have explained you in the previous video, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So, for converting 4 rupee into paise, we have to multiply it by 100. So, for 4 ones are 4 and you will put 2 zeros. So, rupee 4 is equals to 400 paise. In the same way, you will be doing all other points, children. Okay? Understood? Now, let us come to the addition. Practice zone 3. Add the following. 2 coins are given. One is the 5 rupee coin and other is the 10 rupee coin. So, how you will add? You will write 10 and 5. Then you will add them and then only you will be writing the answer. These all calculations, children, you have to do in a rough page or a rough notebook. Okay? Now let us see another question. Add the following: 55 paise and 30 paise. So, in the first line you will be writing 55 and under that you will be writing 30 and you will do the addition as you were doing in your previous chapter. Same addition. Okay? What is the answer? 85 paise. Got, children? Now, let us come to subtraction. Here is a 10 rupee coin and from this 10 rupee coin you have to subtract 5, rupee 5. So you will be writing like this and you will be subtracting 5 from 10. Okay, these calculations you have to do in a rough page or in a rough copy. 50 rupee note minus 10 rupee note. I have written here, but you have to write in your rough notebook. Okay? Next, 35 paise from 75 paise. So, children, here you have to be careful. The bigger digit will come up. 75 you will write in the first line and under that you will be writing 35. And you will be subtracting. What is the answer? 40 paise. Okay? Now, let us see practice zone 5, problem sums. Rita has rupee 25 with her. Her father gave her rupee 10 more. How much money does she have now? Okay? So, what you will write in the first line? Rita has rupee 25. Then in the next line, father gave more, rupee 10, then total money. Okay, you have to add. Next, Ria has rupee 67. She bought a book for rupee 50. How much money is she left with? Okay? Riya has, how much money Riya was having? Rupee 67. Spent on book, उसने बुक को खरीदने में कितने रुपए खर्च किए? Spent is खर्च करना, minus 50. Okay, 50 rupees she spent on book. So money left. You will be subtracting. Understood, children? Now come to your My Observation book, children. Take out page number 59. Question 1. Write the given amount using symbols. One has been done for you. 5 rupees and 50 paise. So, what is the symbol for rupees? Rupee 5 and 50. For paise, we will write P. See one more. 35 rupees and 75 paise. So, for 35, you will write rupee 35, and for this 75 paise. Okay? Now next question is add the following. Few notes are given, notes and coins, you have to add them. So these calculations which I am showing you in the book, you will be doing in your rough copy. Okay? Now next question is same, add the following. You will be doing in this way, children. Now question number 4. Subtract the following. From 10 rupee we have to subtract this 5 rupee coin. So I have written here, but you have to write in the rough copy. From 20 rupees you have to minus 10 rupee and 10 rupee. So what you will do? You will first add this amount. What is 10 plus 10? Then you will subtract from 20. Okay? Question number 3, same as I have explained you of discovering book. Now come to question number 6, fill in the blanks. If I have rupee 5, I have dash paise. So here you have to convert rupee 5 into paise. So what is the answer? 500. I have a one note of rupee 20 and my bother nahi aayega idhar. Okay, it is brother have a coin of rupee 2. In total we have rupee dash. Okay, you have a 20 rupee note and brother has a 2 rupee coin. So you have to add 20 and 2. So what is the answer? 22. Okay, now see the next. If I have the amount which is more than 100 paise, then I will have an amount which is more than rupee 1. As we know that 1 rupee consists of 100 paise, and if I have an amount which is more than 100 paise, so it means I have the amount which is more than rupee 1. If I have 4 notes of rupee 50, it is equal to having 2 notes of rupee 100. Okay, options are 2 or 4. So 2. Okay, 2 rupee 50 notes makes 100. If I have 5 coins of rupee 1, it is equal to having 1 coin of rupee 5. Okay, if you have 1 rupee coin, 5 coins you have. So if you will add 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 5 times, so you will get coin of rupee 5, 1 coin. Now come to question 8. Seema went to the market to buy some food items. She bought milk for rupee 37 and a bread packet for rupee 18. How much money did she spend? So amount spent on milk, rupees 37. Amount spent on bread, rupee 18. Total amount she spent. You have to do addition. Okay. Next question number 9 is your homework. Rima has 50 paise with her. If her father gives her 40 paise more, how much money does she have now? So how you will write the statement? Rima has, okay, then father gave more equals to the amount what father has given, then the total amount Rima has. Okay, you will do addition. Now next question, you will be reading it yourself and you will be doing it on your own. Now come to MCQs. How many paise make a rupee? 100 paise. Rupee 2 will have dash paise. We will convert this rupee 2 into paise, okay, by multiplying it by 100. So we will get 200 paise. 5 rupee 1 coins will make rupee 5. 2 rupee 10 coins will make rupees 20. 1 rupee 10 note and 1 rupee 100 note will make 110 rupee. Okay. Now children, on page number 65 there is one application given. This you have to do in your book. Okay, you have to see the different currency notes. You have to write down their colors and the item which you can buy from the given amount, right? Like from rupee 5 you can buy a packet of chips, small packet of chips. From rupee 10 you can buy a dairy milk. Yes, this you have to complete. Is it clear children? So this work you will be doing in your discovering and my observation book.